am so proud of you! You're amazing! I can't believe you did that. Ollie, kung yung asawa ko lang katulad mo, ay nako. Hindi, pero sa amin, ang lakad ko, ang lakad niya, wala siyang pakialam kung anong ginagawa ko.
Hindi ka nakinig sa akin eh. Joke lang.
I know. Walang ibang sisisihin ko niya. Sarili ko, I chose this life, blah, blah, blah. It's not the man I'm gonna marry.
I was kidding.
Okay. But it doesn't matter about me. I'm just happy about you and Agnes.
Thank you.
Oh! Agnes! Oh my God! Wait, I got lipstick on your cheek.
No, I just want to thank you so much. Dahil sa'yo, nagkakilala kami ni Oliver.
Me? I didn't do anything. I just put the two of you in the same room together.
That's your only genius.
Okay, fine. I'll take credit for that.
Kailangan mong gawin yun kasi hindi ko makikita.
I'm just so happy for the two of you. And finally, my Ollie is settling down with the right woman. So when's the wedding?
Soon.
That's a good question.
So mga relief goods, okay na siya.
I finally did it! I finally passed the bar exams.
Yeah, okay lang. Mamaya natin pag-usapan yan. Nasa meeting kasi kami. Okay? Sensya na. Anyway, yung relief goods, mati-deliver na bukas.
Congratulations. I mean, Attorney Wendy Zaguirre. Congratulations.
Attorney, congratulations.
Oh, cheers. Attorney
Cheers.
Wendy Zaguirre.
Cheers.
Hinahinay lang, Edson. Hinahinay lang.
Magandang umaga, Mang Carding. Ako si Attorney Wendy Zaguirre. Ako magiging abogado ninyo. Po kayo.
Salamat po, ma'am. Ma'am, alam niyo po, kilala ko po kayo eh. Dati po ako magsasaka sa lupa ng mga sagili at hindi ko po kayong bayaran sa serbisyo niyo bilang abogado ko. Wala po kami kapera-pera.
Mang Carding, huwag niyo po alalahanin ng pera. Hindi naman ako magpapabayad sa inyo.
Ay, salamat po. At hayaan niyo po, ma'am. Kapag ka po ako nakalabas dito sa kulungan, tutulong ko sa pangangampanya sa asawa niyo at kay Governor Valderrama.
Opo.